how to solve the Rubik's Cube is really easy. But first, we have to learn cube notation. So, cube notation is how the cube moves around. So, R is right side of the cube. L is left side of the cube. U is upside of the cube, up. D is down part of the cube. Next is B, so B behind the cube. The M is middle side of the cube. So that's the middle. So those are the basic cube notations. And there is another version of cube notation. They are called the prime cube notations. So what prime is, it's like the reverse version of the cube notation. They are like the reverse version. So this is normal R, right side, and this is R prime, down, R down, right side down. So that is R prime, and B. So B is, this is normal B, behind cube, turning behind the cube, and this is B prime. It is the reverse version of that. And prime is also called the reverse. So like R, reverse R, U, reverse U. So but I like to call it U prime, R prime, M prime, L prime. I like to call it prime, not reverse. So you can call it prime or reverse if you want. So now you know the cube notations and its reverse version, or the prime. Let's actually solve the cube. Okay, so the first step in solving the cube is making the white cross. So what you do is you have to the white centerpiece. If you don't know what white centerpiece is, it is the center of the cube. Center of the cube. Center of the cube. So like this is a white centerpiece, green centerpiece, red centerpiece, blue centerpiece. So we have to, white centerpiece should be up here, facing up. So what now is how to make the white cross is find any white edge piece. So look down, and this is a white centerpiece. So the other color is blue. So what you do is move it along until it's connected to its centerpiece. So this is the centerpiece. It needs to be the same color. So now you do it 180 degrees. You turn it 180 degrees, and now you made half of the white cross. So of a case you might find, if you don't know what a case means, it's like it's like the things you might encounter while solving the cube. So here I found a white edge piece, and this is the red. So I move it along until it's connected to the red centerpiece. White is here. Then move it 180 degrees. But you notice that you're not making the cross. So if it's flipped, how to unflip it? What you do is do this algorithm. If you don't know what algorithm is cube notation but combined on how to solve any case. So what you do is F, U prime, or U reverse, R, and then U. And now you unflip the edge piece. So continue that. So here's another example. Green and then white edge piece. Turn it 180 degrees. Now it's flip. So how to unflip that? F, U prime, R, then U. Now you've made half the cross. If you're finding an edge piece, it might be here. So what you do is, now you found another case. So what you do is R prime, and then D prime, then R, then now it's at the bottom. Now what you do is turn it 180 degrees. So now you made the cross. So the next step on solving the cube, what you do is you have to find a corner piece. So this is a corner piece. Corners are like here. These are the corners. Corners have three colors, so 1, 2, and 3. So they have three colors. Edge pieces have two colors. So this is an edge piece, 1 and 2. There's only two colors on an edge piece, three colors in a corner piece. Okay, so now what you do is you find in a white corner piece, a corner piece that has the color white, and then here I found a white corner piece. Look at the other colors, so red and blue. So now find the centerpiece that are the same color of red and blue. So this is red, the red centerpiece, but this is green. So what you do, move it along, and then until it's connected, and then now red, blue, and then white. So now what you do is do this algorithm. So R, U, R prime. Now you've inserted the corner piece. So now let's continue that. So orange, blue, then now inserted, then insert green, then now orange, then green. Now they're inserted. So the next step is to solving the second layer. So if you don't know what a second layer is, just imagine there are layers of a cube, like floors of a building. So like this is the first layer, second layer, and third layer. So think of it like floors of a building. So first floor, second floor, and third floor. So the white side is the first floor, and then yellow side is the third floor or layer. So the white side is the first layer. So we've solved the first layer already, and now we have to solve the second layer. All of this, all of the layers here. So now find any edge piece except yellow. So this is an edge piece, but it's color yellow. So find any color except yellow. So this, like this one, there's no yellow. So now you move it along until it's connected to here. Now it's orange connected, and look on the top color, it's color blue. So find the centerpiece blue, like this. This is a centerpiece blue. Now what you do, and then the edge is supposed to be here. So how to put this edge in here? What you do is do this, move it away from blue. So just turn once, move it away from blue, and now you put this white out. Then you saw this edge. This edge came from here, and then once I put my white here, it moved there. So what you do is put this down, these two white pieces. Now you put that down, then put this white corner here where it came from. It came from here. So now what you do, you turn to the right, and then do L prime, U prime, and then L. Now you've solved one second layer. So now you repeat that. So like this one, red and blue. So but now connected to the centerpiece. Now the top layer, the top color is blue, so move that away. Then now that, then now turn to the left because this is the left version. And then now R, U, R prime. And then now it's inserted. So you continue that until your cube looks like this. If your cube looks like this, you're doing it correctly. Okay, so now we are doing the second to the last step. Making the cross and then solving everything, the yellow cross. So how to make the yellow cross? It's not the same as making the white cross. It's different. So we got this case. So if you see a yellow dot, don't mind the corners just yet. So if the yellow centerpiece is just dot, what you do is F or U or prime U prime, then undo. Then now if you see a letter L, if it looks like a letter L, so what you do is put the letter L on top. Then now F or U or prime U prime, then undo that. Then now if you see a line, what you do it again, F or U or prime U prime, then now made the cross. The next case you might find in making the yellow cross is if you see like two square, like a square shape, like four pieces. If it's a square, you do the same thing with L. Then now F R U R prime U prime, then line R U R prime, and then now you made the cross, but don't mind the corners. So what you do is pick any edge piece and then connect it to its centerpiece. And now if all the edge pieces are solved, you're done with this step. But if all of the edges are not yet solved, but one edge piece is solved, so like this, if only one edge piece is solved but the rest isn't, what you do is put the solved one in your right side, and then you do this algorithm: R U R prime U R U prime U prime, then R prime. Then now if all the edges are not yet solved, just turn once, twice, thrice, and if this is solved and the other edges aren't, but if there are two edges are solved but they're at the other side, what you do, put them, you face here while these are here. Then now you do this, you do the same thing. Then if all the edges aren't yet, you turn you do U prime. Now one edge is solved, and then you do this. Then all the edges are solved now. So the last step is solving the corners. So what you do is you find a solved corner piece. If one solved corner piece is already solved and the rest aren't, you must do this step. But we have to find a solved corner piece like this one. So how to know if it's solved? It's green, red, and then yellow. But it doesn't have to be like this. It doesn't have to be like this. It can be like this. So how to make all the corners solved? What you do is do this algorithm: U or U prime, then L prime, U R prime, L U prime, then L. And then if all the corners are not solved yet, you repeat it. Now all the corners are solved. So red, blue, orange, green, yellow, orange, blue. So now The last step is make white face up now, and then you do RU, repeat that. So now it's solved. And then what you do, you do not do this, you do this, because if you do that, you're gonna mess up the cube. So just keep repeating the RU, do that. You do D prime, then now D prime again, then now your cube is solved.